Okay, sorry guys, I was interrupted by that, but let's go ahead and take a look at the stats of the players we just pulled. So here's the Phillip Rivers. Okay, so the only thing that's better with the Phillip Rivers is the strength up by 1, +6 awareness, one more mid throw and 2 more deep throw accuracy for the Phillip Rivers. Okay, that's really not bad. Let's go to DeMarco Murray. So here's the Mark Ingram. And the only thing really better is carry. Everything else is either the same or worse. And let's turn it down. I forget what okay, he's at the end. So playing against Cameron Wake. So he has 7 more awareness and whoa, he's got a lot more power moves than Cameron Wake. Wow. Put him up against DeMarco Ware. So better strength and better awareness. Alright guys, let's see how much these guys go for on the auction block. Rivers, 92. I guess this one for a pretty fair amount. So let's see, what can I get for 50k? Okay, so some are even going for like, let's go with 30k, see. So far I'm not making a lot of my money back off of the Phillip Rivers. $25k. Alright, so one sold for 15k. That's kind of low. Okay. Let's go to Ingram. I think he was an 88. Yep, he is. Somewhere low halfback. So 11. Oh, okay. Oh, he's really low. Okay. Let's go to 25k then. Okay, 20k. Okay, so quite a few of them are going. So they sell for pretty low too, actually. Wow. And let's go with the final guy, Jared Allen. 90 overall at the end. Let's go 50k. So we pulled. Ooh. So basically, we pulled 2 elite team of the weeks, and we did pull out Phillip Rivers, which was a pretty nice pull. Alright, I'm gonna go low. Let's go 15k. See if anybody's going for that. Yeah, so one's going for about 15k. So in total, we made about, let's see, about 48k. So that's actually kind of bad. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you all next time. Peace.